Welcome. My name is Maya Hu Chen, President of Global Leadership Associates. Our mission is to help leaders excel through cultural agility, inclusion, and a global mindset. We have built this website to be a useful resource for you. It has lots of articles and videos focusing on global leadership, cross-cultural management, diversity, and inclusion. If you're managing virtual, global, or multicultural teams, or collaborating with people from diverse backgrounds, you have come to the right place. We constantly add new content, blogs, and videos to reflect the latest, most relevant global trends in business and leadership. If you find the content helpful or have any feedback, we love to hear from you. Feel free to share it with your friends and colleagues too. I hope you enjoy the visit.